Something strange happens when the global economy begins to break. When markets crash and panic floods the streets, we are told that trillions of dollars simply vanish. But this is a carefully constructed illusion. Money does not evaporate. It does not disappear into thin air. It simply changes hands. In moments of extreme economic volatility, the vast majority of people lose a significant portion of their net worth. Yet, during those exact same moments, a very small, quiet group of individuals acquires more assets, more territory, and more leverage than at any other time in history. This is not a coincidence, and it is not luck. If you want to understand more hidden patterns like this, subscribe to the channel now. Because what you are about to see is the invisible architecture of wealth transfer. Most people look at a volatile market and see chaos. They see unpredictability, they see danger, but a few look at the exact same screen and see a highly predictable system operating exactly as it was designed to. To understand this, we have to look closely at a common everyday scenario. Imagine a typical investor. For years, they slowly build their portfolio. They save, they invest, they follow the standard advice. Then a global event occurs. The market drops by 10%, then 20, then 30. The news cycles become relentless. Headlines scream about impending financial doom. The investor watches their screen as the numbers turn deep red. Their heart rate elevates, cortisol floods their system. They are experiencing a biological response identical to physical danger. And so, driven by survival instincts, they sell. They liquidate their positions to stop the bleeding. They take the loss, believing they have protected what little they have left. They tell themselves they will re-enter the market when things are safe again. But this is where the pattern becomes even stranger. At the precise second that terrified investor hits the sell button, someone else is on the other side of that transaction, hitting buy. Who is buying when everyone else is running for the exits? And more importantly, what do they know that the rest of the world does not? This is the hidden pattern of extreme volatility. Volatility is not a glitch in the financial system. It is a necessary feature. It is the mechanism through which the impatient transfer their wealth to the patient. We see this pattern repeat in every major economic downturn of the last century. From the crashes of the early 20th century to the modern technological bubbles and recent global shutdowns, the sequence is always identical. Expansion, euphoria, shock, panic, and finally, transfer. But the real system hides one level deeper. Let us break down exactly how this invisible engine operates. Financial markets are essentially aggregations of human emotion. They represent the collective fear and greed of millions of participants. When times are good, prices rise not just because assets become more valuable, but because people become more comfortable. Risk feels non-existent. The crowd rushes in. But when the system shocks, the exact opposite occurs. Prices collapse. Not because the underlying assets suddenly lost all their utility, but because the crowd lost its nerve. This is where the elite step out of the shadows. Those who truly understand wealth do not view an asset by its current market price, they view it by its intrinsic value. When a market crashes, a fundamental disconnection occurs between what something is worth and what it costs. High-quality businesses, prime real estate, and vital resources are suddenly put on sale at steep discounts. The system operates like a giant sorting machine. It strips assets away from those who over-leveraged their lives and hands them to those who prepared for the winter. This brings us to a crucial question. Take a moment to reflect on your own mindset. Comment the word safe if you prefer to hold cash during a crisis, or comment the word risk if you prefer to buy when prices drop. There is no wrong answer, but understanding your default reaction is the first step to seeing the system. And this is the part almost nobody realizes. The people who benefit most from market crashes do not predict the future. They do not have a crystal ball. They simply position themselves to absorb the panic of others. They hold strategic reserves of capital. They maintain low personal debt. They refuse to play the game on the crowd's terms. They know that when volatility strikes, cash is not just safety, it is ammunition. But this reveals the greatest misunderstanding in modern finance. The mistake most people make is equating volatility with absolute loss. When the average person sees their portfolio drop by 40%, they feel as though they have literally lost that money. They feel poorer. But unless they sell, they have not lost a single share, a single property, or a single asset. They have only experienced a temporary fluctuation in how the world prices those assets. The psychological trap is treating a temporary price quote as a permanent reality. And the financial system quietly reinforces this trap every single day. Every news ticker, every red arrow, every urgent notification on a smartphone is designed to trigger an emotional response. The media thrives on engagement, and nothing drives engagement faster than fear. By keeping the public in a state of perpetual anxiety, the system ensures that the majority of people will always buy at the top out of greed and sell at the bottom out of terror. Intelligent, highly educated people fall into this trap constantly. They attempt to outsmart the market. They try to time the exact top and the exact bottom. They believe their intellect can overcome the overwhelming force of collective panic. But the system does not care about your intellect. It only cares about your discipline. Most people never learn these systems unless they actively study them. If you are beginning to see the matrix of how wealth is actually built, subscribe to the channel. We are uncovering the realities that most people walk past every single day. Which leads us to a fundamental question you must ask yourself. Do you think success is mostly skill or mostly systems? Share your perspective in the comments. The way you answer reveals everything about how you view your own agency in the world. Let us look at the advantage possessed by those who understand the pattern. How do people who see this system behave differently? First, they completely detach their emotional state from the daily news cycle. They understand that news is noise. It is designed to distract. While the masses are glued to screens watching the financial world burn, the architect of wealth is calmly reviewing ADA. They are looking for mispriced assets. They are looking for overreactions. Second, they allocate their time and energy toward extending their time horizon. The average person thinks in terms of days, weeks, or maybe months. They want to know what the market will do next Tuesday. The wealthy individual thinks in terms of decades and generations. When your time horizon is 20 years, a volatile drop in the market this month is not a crisis. It is a footnote. It is a minor blip on a long upward trajectory. This shift in time preference changes every decision you make. It allows you to look at a chaotic falling market and feel completely calm. Third, those with the advantage do not seek absolute certainty. The crowd demands to know that everything will be okay before they invest. They wait for the government to announce a recovery. They wait for the green lights. But by the time the green lights are completely visible to the public, the opportunity has already vanished. The wealthy understand that you pay a very high price for a cheery consensus. They act when the outcome is uncertain, but the math is in their favor. They buy fear and they sell greed. Are you a follower of the crowd or an independent thinker? Comment the word follow or the word think below. This is where the illusion begins to break entirely. The realization that the economy is not a single unified entity that goes up and down together. It is a massive ecosystem of transferring value. When an industry collapses, the value does not die. It migrates to a more efficient industry. When a currency weakens, the purchasing power does not vanish. It flows into hard assets. Those who build lasting wealth do not try to stop the wind. They simply build windmills. They position themselves in the path of the capital flow. They recognize that market crashes are the rare moments when the playing field temporarily levels. It is the moment when the barriers to entry drop and prime assets are handed over to anyone with the courage and the capital to claim them. Most people spend their entire lives reacting to this volatility. They are tossed around by the waves of the market, forever a victim of economic forces they do not understand. They complain that the game is rigged, that the rich get richer while the poor get poorer. And they are half right. The game does have rules, but those rules are not kept secret. They are simply ignored by the majority. A select few take the time to step back, study the history, and understand the mechanics. They stop playing the reactive game. They step out of the casino and become the house. And once you see the pattern, you cannot stop seeing it. You will look at the next economic panic not with fear, but with total clarity. You will recognize the headlines for what they are. You will see the transfer of wealth happening in real time, and you will know exactly where you need to stand. If you want to understand the hidden rules behind money, psychology, and power, subscribe to Hidden Secrets Archive. Every video on this channel breaks down the patterns most people never notice. Because once you understand the system, you stop reacting to it. There is more content not released publicly. If you want access to the deeper archives, you will find them below in the description.